the fruity ABC song. Let's learn sing and play.
Come on kids, let's learn and play with fruits to brighten up our day. Every color, every shape, fruits are yummy. Let's celebrate. Meh, meh. A is for apple, crunchy and sweet. B is for banana, a yellow treat. C is for coconut, filled with juicy. D is for dragon fruit, colorful and loose. A is for apple, crunchy and sweet. B is for banana, a yellow treat. C is for coconut, filled with juicy. D is for dragon fruit, colorful and loose. Fruits are fun, healthy, tasty for everyone. Sing it loud, let's all agree. Fruits are the best from A to Z. E is for elderberry, tiny and round. F is for fig, the sweetest we found. G is for grape, in a bunch they grow. H is for honeydew, refreshing as snow. Fruits are fun, happy and round. F is for fig, the sweetest we found. G is for grape, in a bunch they grow. H is for honeydew, refreshing as snow. Fruits are fun, healthy, tasty for everyone. Sing it loud, let's all agree. Fruits are the best from A to Z. E is for elderberry, tiny and round. Big or small, they help us grow. Red is rainbow, sweet as can be. Fruits are gifts for you and me. I is for ice, apple, cool and clear. J is for jackfruit, jumbo and deer. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and small. L is for lemon, the tangiest of all. M is for mango, a golden delight. And N is for nectarine, juicy and bright. O is for orange, sunshine sphere. P is for papaya, smooth and sheer. Q is for quince, so rare to see. R is for raspberry, yum for me. S is for strawberry, heart-shaped and red. T is for tangerine, snack and red. U is for ugly fruit, funny to say. V is for velvet apple, snack any day. W is for watermelon, sweet and so big. X is for edgy,